Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to test the ultimate version of my custom rental scooter setup and see if it can survive the ultimate hill climb test against an 800-watt monster scooter. But before we get to the race, remember this setup? Last time, I built a custom seat and a pallet trailer for this rental scooter. But today, we are taking this project to a whole new level. First, I upgraded the trailer, built some proper sides, painted it all black, and slapped an official VOI logo on it. It looks almost real, right? Then I clicked my custom seat on, hooked up the new wagon, and for the first time ever, I'm cruising with the full setup. Oh, and remember how I asked you guys what I should transport next? Well, nobody actually commented. But hey, that's just perfect, because I had some awesome ideas ready anyway. First up, time for some very special VIP passengers. I called up my son and daughter because I wanted to take their beautiful dogs out for a spin, a golden retriever and a Dalmatian. And oh my God, they were so happy, and they had way too much energy. They were jumping around, and they just wanted to play instead of sitting still. That was such a fun moment, even though they didn't quite stay on the trailer next day. New adventure. I packed a cooler box, a grill, and my trusty fishing rod, ready for a beautiful quiet day at the lake. But guess what? The spot was packed with divers training in the water, so no fish for me today. But hey, a group of older kids spotted the scooter, and they totally loved it. They swarmed the scooter and thought this custom build was the coolest thing they had ever seen. That made my day. On my way back, I stopped because some local kids wanted to check out the rental scooter and try the DIY seat. And let me tell you, these kids had some serious rides. One of the boys was riding an Ausom DT2 Pro dual motor e-scooter, and he completely made a show for me, tearing up the path. What an absolutely beautiful and nice e-scooter. Right after that, by the bike path, I stopped to get a great photo for the thumbnail. And that's when I met two more awesome local kids. One was on an e-bike, and the other guy, Tobias, was riding this absolute beast of a scooter, the brand new KuKirin G2, an 800-watt motor with a max speed of 45 kilometers an hour. And let me tell you, Tobias is an absolute legend on a scooter. He was casually pulling the most amazing wheelies, speeding back and forth like a real pro right next to my setup. We had a great chat, and we agreed to go back to the exact same steep hill from my last video, just to have some fun and test the power. First up, Tobias on the G2. Going down was a breeze, but going up, wow, this hill is a tough one. The G2 fought so hard, and it made it almost all the way to the top, and just missing one single meter. Super impressive try. Then it was my turn. Full setup, trailer attached, and a heavy grill on the back. Going down the slope was so exciting, and we made it perfectly. Going back up, yeah, the little rental scooter gave it everything. But we didn't quite make it this time, but we had a massive laugh trying. And to wrap it all up, the guy on the e-bike captured the ultimate shot. Me cruising down the path on my custom VOI setup, with Tobias right next to me, riding on one wheel like a superstar. What an absolutely fantastic day and a brilliant test. If you want to see what fun DIY project I come up with next, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, let me know what you think of the new look. See you next time. Bye bye.